Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Mm, I think what we are discussing yesterday, we have discussed.
Balancing of equations by ion electron method.
So I think in that one we have solved one example. I think okay.
Yes, sir.
So ion electron method. We will work on little bit some more examples. Okay, na? We will work on that, students, and after that we can close for today's sessions. 1 second, let me. mm, uh, Type this one. Okay. The question is. Uh, Permanganate ion permanganate ion reacts with ferrous ion. Ferrous ion means Fe plus 2 in acidic medium. Acidic medium to form Mn plus 2 and Fe plus 3. Balance this reaction. Okay, we need to balance the reaction. Try to balance the reaction, Anna. Just I'm giving 2 minutes time. Just solve and tell me. Done, Anna?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir,
Huh?
sir 1 minute.
Hmm. Let me try this one. So what we are writing? So permanganate ion means MnO4 minus by reaction with iron plus 2, which will convert into iron plus 3 and Mn plus 2. So now in this one, if I'm writing the oxidation state here, so here manganese will have plus 7. So the change will be iron, this is 5 electron gain, and Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3 means 1 electron loss. Now what we need to discuss, oxidation half and reduction half we need to do individually, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, reduction is permanganate and reduction is ferrous ion.
Yes. What happened? See, iron both are balanced already, so charge we need to balance. So to which side we will add electrons? Right side, no?
So to the product side.
1 electron. See here. So plus 3 minus 1 plus 2. So plus 2. So both set charges balanced. Now let me talk with this one. Reduction of what? MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn plus 2. Already manganese is balanced. So now
Balance of
oxygens. For oxygen, how many water molecules we will add?
so 4, sir.
4.
So it will be MnO4 minus plus 8H plus gives
So
rise to.
here 8 electrons are there. So that we need to do 8H plus because we are doing in acidic medium, right? To balance acidic medium, H plus we are going to do by this. Mn plus 2 plus 4H2. Okay, now here to balance charge, what we will do that finally? What is that we have written? MnO4 minus plus 8H plus gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 4H2. So to balance this, where we need to add electrons, see, minus 1, 8H plus. If I'm adding 5 electrons in the left side, charge will become balanced, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what is oxidation state we got? Iron plus 2 to iron plus 3 plus electron.
So plus electron.
Now what we will do here? We will,
So multiply the Fe plus 2 with
so what
5.
we can write for my easiness, I'm going to write it again.
Sir, I got the answer, sir.
1 second. So to balance this, we will add multiplied with 5 electrons and here we will multiply with 1 electron, right? So after that, what we are going to add? Finally, we are going to add that both.
Yes, sir.
So while adding, what we will get answer?
Sir, Mn
MnO4 minus
8H plus
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 5 Fe plus 2,
sir plus 8H plus
8H plus
5
gives rise
electron.
to
So gives rise to uh,
Mn
Mn2
plus
plus
2,
plus
5
5
Fe plus 3, and both side electrons are going to get cancelled, isn't it?
plus 2.
Okay, na? So likewise, we are going to balance.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, it doesn't understand the last reduction of
Where?
sir, so why did we add 8H plus, sir? See,
Huh?
5 electrons.
Are you there
Why we
yesterday?
add? Yes, sir.
Last step, what we have did? Generally, what we will do, our last step is we need to balance the charge, right?
Yes, sir.
For charge balance, how much we will have in above step? We are having positive charge here, and here we have minus 1 plus 8. Minus 1 plus 8 means how much charge it is? Plus 7, no? So if I'm adding 5 electrons here, here 5 minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 plus 8. That means plus 2, no?
Yes, I understand.
Mm.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, when balancing oxygen, sir, why are we only taking H2O? Why can't we take CO2 like other?
these are rules, no, nothing. I told you, no. Whenever we are taking CO2, all those things, no, H2O generally, it will not in oxidized form or reduced form and water.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Uh, next, mm, CrO four minus plus H2O2 gives rise to CrO4 minus 4. Sorry, CrO4 minus 2 plus H2O. Balance this reaction. Mm. If I'm writing above the arrow, if I'm writing in OH minus means what we can say it should be?
Um,
It
Base.
should be what?
So basics.
sir,
Basic medium, right?
basic medium.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Uh, Try to balance this. Just I'm giving 2 to 3 minutes. Try to balance this and we will see that.
Sir, in the CrO4, OH4 OH taken 4 times, the minus is
Hmm.
for the whole. Sir, the CrOH taken 4 times, the minus is for a whole compound, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Solved.
So the answer.
Okay. Uh,
Sir, should I say the answer?
okay. Let's try. Then we can do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First, CrOH 4 times whole minus plus H2O2 gives rise to CrO4 minus 2 for all the compound plus H2. First, what we need to do? We need to balance the oxidation state. Sorry, find out the oxidation state. Here, what we can get here, charge, tell me.
S3, sir.
Chromium is X and OH minus is together minus 1 into 4 equal to minus 1. That means here
Sir,
we are getting plus 3 and here oxygen we are going to get minus 1 because it is a peroxide. And in CrO4 minus 2, what we are getting?
sir plus 6, sir.
CrO4 minus 2, what we are getting, Nana? Chromium X plus 2 into minus 4
So plus 6.
X plus 4 into oxygen minus 2 equal to minus 2. So chromium we are getting plus 6 and H2O we are getting minus
Minus
2. Mm. Now where we find change in
CR
oxidation
is
state?
oxidation and oxygen is reduction.
From O minus 2 is become gain, no?
Yes, sir.
That is a reduction. And this is plus 3 to plus 6 means loss without at oxidation. Let me take oxidation half. Mm. Now see, oxidation half means what we can say here. Let me write Cr OH 4 times. Remember this we are doing in where? Basic medium, right? Now see chromium are balanced, right?
Yes, sir.
I think oxygens also balanced, I think.
Yes, sir.
Now we need to balance hydrogen. So hydrogen, how much we are going to add? Cr
So plus 4H plus.
4 times gives rise to CrO4 minus 2 plus 4 H2O. At the same time, we are going to add 4 OH minus ions to the opposite side. Likewise, I said, right?
So if it's an acid medium, you should add H plus. If it is basic medium, you should add OH minus.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, in acidic medium, simply to balance, we are going to add H plus ions wherever we have deficiency. Whereas in basic medium, what we are going to do? So, for one hydrogen, we are going to add one water molecule to the side where it is deficient. And in the same way and opposite side, we are going to add same number of OH minus ions. Now see, oxygens and hydrogen both are balanced. Yes or no? Okay. Now what we need to do? Next we need to balance the charge. That is CrOH 4 times minus plus 4OH minus gives rise to how many charges it is left side? 5, no? So CrO4 minus 2 plus 4H2O
Plus 3, sir. Plus 3.
plus 3 electrons. So this is charge balance. Now coming into reduction half. In reduction of what we are going to do?
Sir,
H2
H2O gives us to H2O.
H2O. So now here what we can say oxygen is not balanced, right?
Yes, sir.
For
So
oxygen
H2O
balancing,
to
what we are going to do? For one oxygen, we are going to add one water molecule, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many water molecules are there? Four hydrogens are there here.
Sir, 4.
Four
Four, sir.
left side, two. So that what we will do here?
The 2 H2.
H2O2.
H2O, sir.
So plus 2 electrons.
No, no, not two electrons. Why we will add two electrons? Already it is neutral molecule, right? Okay. See here, two hydrogens are there. Less it is, so that we will add two H2O here. At the same time, we will write 2 OH minus outside. Now see, oxygens are balanced, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now see, students, balanced or not?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, can't 2H2O and 2H2O get cut?
We can cancel also here. No issue in that. At last we can cancel. We can. That one I'm going to do here right now. Now see here. Here both side H2 it is there, no. So I'm going to cancel as you said. Now here minus 2 charge and here I'm going to add 2 electrons. Plus, let me write in one step what will happen. Okay, na? Charge balance no. Now let me write a complete equation. Hmm. While writing complete equation, what we are writing? CrO4 CrOH4 minus plus 4OH minus gives rise to CrO4 minus 2 plus 4H2O plus 3 electrons. And reduction of is what? Here H2O gets cancelled. H2O2 plus 2 electrons gives rise to 2H minus. H2O2 plus 2 electrons gives rise to 2OH minus. Okay, na? Now for balancing, what we will do here, we will multiply with 3 electrons and here multiply with 2 electrons. So what we will get here, see? 2 CrOH 4 plus 8 OH minus gives rise to 2 CrO4 minus 2 plus 8H2O plus 6
Plus 6.
electrons. And by multiplying this with 3H2O2 plus 6 electrons gives rise to 6 OH minus. So 6 electron gets cancelled. So finally what we will get? 2 CrOH4 minus plus 3H2O2. Here left side 8 OH and right side 6. So that left side how many we will get?
OH.
2 OH minus gives rise to 2 CrO4 minus 2
So plus 8H2O.
plus
Sir, 8H2O.
H2. Now see all are balanced or not? Charge minus 2, minus 2, minus 4 done. 16, 2, 8, 8, 16. Now see all balanced, no?
Yes, sir.
టెన్షన్స్ ఉంటాయని ప్రమాదాన్ని చూసి కూడా వదిలేసి వెళ్ళిపోతారు. మరికొంతమంది అంబులెన్స్ కి కాల్ చేసి చిన్న హెల్ప్ అయినా చేస్తారు, కానీ దగ్గరుండి హాస్పిటల్ కి ఎవరు తీసుకొని వెళ్ళరు. ఈ క్రమంలో
Okay, students, done? Understood?
So can you show the previous slide? Done, sir.
Okay, students? Students, done? Uh, shall we solve one more question on basic medium? You solve this question. So then we can go different type of questions. P plus OH minus gives rise to pH3 plus H2PO2 minus. So as we are doing it in means it is okay. As we are doing it means what we can say basic medium. As we are having OH minus means it is basic medium. Do it once. Students solving or not?
So 1 minute. Sir,
Tell me, Nana.
that is a disproportion redox reaction, right? Because P is getting oxidation reduction.
Ah, so balance it. This is also disproportionate reaction. Okay. How you will do it?
Okay, sir.
Actually, do one thing. Leave this question because for this one you need somewhat information. Okay. Mm. You do this question, Nana. Mm. Do it fastly. See. Mm. See how we are going to do.
Sir, oxygen is going oxidation and chlorine is going reduction.
Mm. So here chlorine plus 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Here
Here it is +3.
plus 3 only,
So,
na?
yes, sir. So O2 is 0.
How many? 1 electron, 2 electrons.
So 1, sir.
Huh? 1.
So 0 for the answer.
-1 to 0 means 1, but there are 2 atoms are there, no oxygen.
Yes, sir.
And here 4 electrons lost. First, what we need to do? Balance chlorine atoms, right? Now, how many oxygens are there? Left side 7, right side 3. So 4. So that 3H2 we need to add. So how many waters are there, Nana? Actually, there are 6 hydrogens which are left by less by left side. Cl2 minus, no. So then what we can write? Cl2O7 plus 6H2O, no. So that we can write 6H2O left side, and we will write 2Cl2 minus plus 3H2O plus 6OH minus.
So it becomes Cl2O7 plus 3H2O.
Okay, once let me weigh that one. So in final we can write. So what is the charge here? -2 -6. Total how many, Nana? 8 electrons are there, right? Cl2O7 plus here 6H2O, 3H2O. So it will be 3H2O plus 8 electrons gives rise to 2Cl2 minus plus 6OH minus. Is it okay? Okay. Next, coming to this, what we can write? H2O2 gives rise to O2. So oxygens already balanced, so that we need to balance hydrogen. So hydrogens, how we will balance? O2 plus O2 plus 2H2O plus 2OH minus. That means what we can say? H2O2 plus 2OH minus gives rise to O2 plus 2H2O. And for balancing, right side we need to add 2 electrons. Okay. Now let me write the reactions again. That is what? Cl2O7 plus 3H2O 8 electrons. 3H2O plus 8 electrons gives rise to 2Cl2 plus 6OH minus. Left side H2O2 plus 2H minus. O2 plus 2H2O plus 2 electrons. Now what we are going to do? So to balance this, we are going to multiply this with 2. Sorry, 2. And this we are multiplying with 8. Then what we can write? 2Cl2O7 plus 6H2O plus 16 electrons, 4Cl2 minus plus 12OH minus gives rise to 8H2O2 plus 16OH minus 16H2O, 16 electrons. So for balancing, what we can write? 2Cl2O7 plus 8H2O2 plus water molecule, how many are there? Here 6 and here is 16. And OH minus are there here 16 and here 12. So left side 4OH minus gives rise to 4Cl2 plus 8O2. H2O here 6 and here 10 H2O. Okay. And if you want to simplify again, so all will get cancelled by 2, no? So you can write like this also. Cl2O7 plus 4H2O2 4OH minus.
So it should be 2H minus, right?
Why? Sorry. We are dividing with 2, no? Because common factor is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
4O2 plus 5H2. So this is balanced reaction. Likewise, you need to solve. So from here, what we have completed? We have completed entire redox reactions topic in your 11th class also. Okay, na students? So,
Okay, sir.
okay, students, then. Bye. We will meet in next classes. Classes are
Bye,
there.
sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.